When my cadets learn that they have to be exposed to OC spray, they are universally worried about getting sprayed. I don't blame them. Pepper spray hurts. In all honesty, I would always choose a taser over pepper spray, and I've been tased more than a few times myself. However, from personal experience, I have tried just about every method for taking the burn away. I've sold commercial decontamination wipes and sprays. I've poured milk all over my head. I have followed the procedures in a scientific paper published by the Poison Control Center using milk of magnesia, as well as all manner of soaps and shampoos. In all seriousness, I can unequivocally state that nothing makes it hurt less. As I will explain a little later, time is the best and most reliable way of relieving the pain of exposure to oleoris and capsicum. Even with the most potent law enforcement 1.33% sprays, after about 40 minutes, I will regain full function. However, with the procedure outlined below, I can cut that down to about 10 minutes. 10 minutes of burning eyes is still a long time. To compare, while the pain is, at least to me, slightly less than the 50,000-volt electrical jolt of a taser, a law enforcement taser ride is only 5 seconds.